Mesh topology devices, computers, services, these endpoints that send that receive data with a network switches manage the flow of data between devices within the network. Routers facilitate communication between different mesh submitters. Access points provide with a connectivity in a mesh network. Network operation discuss how data flow in a mesh network. Data can take multiple paths to reach and destination, enhancing reliability in fault tolerance. Devices can communicate directly reach other using latency and improving network performance. 5. Redundancy and reliability. Data if one connection fails, data cancel its destination through alternative paths. This redundancy, network reliability, and fault tolerance, scalability, and performance highlights scalability and performance. Mesh network. As more devices, network can easily expand without affecting performance. Mesh network over high data transfer speed and efficient communication.